Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to ask you to join me exploring the iPhone features. And through this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the auto lock on iPhone. First thing you have to do is just go open your settings of the iPhone, and you just need to scrolling down until you found the display and brightness. And whenever you're here, you just need to scrolling down again until you found this section, which is the auto lock. So to activate them, you just need to go click it, and you just need to choose which the duration of the time that you want to activate the lock. So let's say you want to do the 30 seconds time here. So after 30 seconds your phone is not being operated, your phone will be automatically locked in. So you can just choose everything's here, and whenever you're done you just need to go back and everything is already done. Now you already activate the auto lock on your phone. So that's the way guys how to do auto lock on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.